Hi, my name is Leonisa Magalso, 45 years old, a single mom of three, both grown up. They are both college now. I'm just coming here in Philippines, March 25. I got my contract in Bahrain. I have an experience in Saudi Arabia, Riyadh. I finished my contract in 2 years and 3 months. My employers, I have four members, one madam and the three daughters, both grown up also. I My work there is all around. I will cook, clean, cleaning, washing, ironing, and sometimes I will teach them English subject in English subject. Then I will finish, and the second one I apply in Bahrain. Also had a members one couple, and they have two kids, 5 years old and 3 years old, both girls. I prioritize to care the kids. I cook their food and feed them. I will clean the house, and I will wash clothes, ironing, and also sometimes I will teach them. Uh, then I will assure you, um, I am not finished. I had only 10 months because they are transferring in another country. That's why I I I I finished the contract only 10 months. So I assure you, if you hired me, I am hardworking mom. I raise my three kids with my own, with the disciplinary, and also how to respect others. And I want to serve you as my employer and to love all your loved ones. Thank you, and see you as soon.